12 ways to get thicker hair. No transplant, no insane price tags. Thickness isn't a genetic lottery, it's a skill set. Half of your thickness you're killing right now with your own 2 hands without even realising it. Number 1. Scalp massage, 4 minutes a day. It drives blood to the roots, and blood is food for the follicle, so the hair grows back thicker. Just don't pet yourself on the head like a cat. Plant your fingertips and move the actual skin in circles, like you're trying to shift it off your skull. 4 minutes in the shower or before bed. It's the cheapest investment in your head you'll ever make. Number 2, stop washing your hair every day. You think more often means cleaner and healthier. In reality, every time you strip away your protective oils and dry your scalp into a desert, and nothing thick grows in a desert. And if you think washing once every few days is weird, here's a fact. Robert Pattinson once admitted he didn't wash his hair for 6 weeks, and he still has a main girls fight over. So 2 or 3 times a week, and you're done. Your head isn't a frying pan. It doesn't need scrubbing after every use. Number 3, forget about brushing wet hair. A wet strand is the weakest version of itself. It snaps at the slightest tug. So when you aggressively rake a comb through your soaked mop after a shower, you're literally yanking your own hair out by hand. Grab a wide tooth comb, let it dry a bit, and only then. Now for the stuff you apply. Cheap, but with science behind it. Number 4, rosemary oil. Sounds like grandma's recipe, works like pharma. In studies, it delivered results on par with minoxidil after a few months of consistency. It boosts blood flow in the scalp and wakes up sleeping follicles. A few drops at the roots, and you're playing the long game. Number 5, castor oil, loaded with vitamin E. Rub it into your scalp, leave it for 30 to 60 minutes, rinse it out once or twice a week. It smells rough, I know. But for that kind of pocket change, we're not taking complaints about the aroma. Number 6, the egg mask. 1 egg packs biotin, folate, and protein. Basically, the whole construction crew for your hair. Whisk it, apply it to damp hair and scalp, leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Cool specifically, because with hot water, you'll cook yourself an omelette right on your crown, and that's a whole different recipe. Now the heavy artillery, the stuff worth spending money on. Number 7, and this is the key combo of the entire video. Derma Roller plus minoxidil. Run the microneedle roller over your scalp once a week and use minoxidil twice a day. Order is everything. Roller first, then the product, because the micropunctures pull it deep inside. And now, the numbers that make it interesting. In a study, 82% of the people who combined both got over 50% improvement versus a pathetic 4.5% for those who just slapped on minoxidil alone. And there's zero shame in it. John Cena, that absolute unit, publicly admitted he uses minoxidil and special care, and Joe Rogan has talked openly about his transplant on his podcast for years. If they're not too proud for it, neither are you. Number 8, shampoo with biotin or ketoconazole. Look for biotin right there on the label. And if you grab a ketoconazole one, like Nizoral, don't rinse it off right away. Lather up and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes while you brush your teeth. The mistake almost everyone makes. Lather and rinse in 2 seconds, and all the benefit goes down the drain with the foam. Now, the tricks that give you volume today. No waiting, no oils, right now. Number 9. The haircut does half the work for you. Textured shortcuts, fades, layers. Less scalp showing, more visible volume. Shorter on the sides, longer on top. Sometimes a good barber does more for thickness than 6 months of supplements. Number 10. Lightweight styling products. Texture clay, sea salt spray, and volumizing mousse lift the roots and build thickness out of thin air. As for heavy pomades and waxes, carry them out of your bathroom. They glue your hair to your head and rat out every thin strand. Number 11. Blow dry for volume. Dry it not bone dry, but to slightly damp. Lift the roots with a round brush. And don't forget heat protectant so you don't torch everything you've been growing. Product goes at the roots. 2 minutes with a blow dryer sometimes gives more volume than a month of effort. Number 12. Conditioner on the ends only, never at the roots. At the roots, it weighs the hair down and it flops like a wet rag. Apply it from mid-length to the tips. The top stays light, alive and lifted. So, real thickness you build with massage, oil, and the roller minoxidil combo. Visible thickness comes from a good haircut, a lightweight styling product, and a blow dryer. Drop a comment telling me which method you're starting with today, and subscribe. There are a lot more upgrades for your look coming.